So standing in a property that we just picked up from another investor, I want to walk you through a couple of things that investors make big mistakes on. Sometimes people will say, it's a lower end property, I don't want to spend a whole lot of money, it's not going to fetch a lot of rent, so I'll just be okay with the conditions of some things. Let's go take a look. These things in your property will mean your property sits on the market. I can guarantee you, if your house is in the market an extra month or 2 months, you probably would have been better just doing the fixes. All right, we're gonna try to make this a quick one, but right off the bat, when I walk in here, old lighting here, old lighting here. This is basically in the exact same room, and these lights scream like 80s, and are of a completely different style. Big no-no. A light over here, a light over here off Wayfair, maybe $50. You get one on discount. Appliances, old appliances that don't mix match. White appliances against silver here, and then white here. And then being that this one is exposed, seeing all these dents and things like that, not replacing it, big no-no. We use a lot of scratch and dent in our properties, but we would never put a scratch and dent here. And in this particular property, this white against the silver sticks out like a sore thumb. If these were all stainless steel, you're talking about maybe an extra $200 here, an extra $200 here. It would completely transform this particular kitchen. Some funny kind of thing, small note, notice the cabinets down here are completely different than the cabinets up there. What would go amazing up is just to go ahead and have these painted. You don't even need to have them like super professionally painted, but just painting those like a dark gray and then doing a nice countertop, preferably granite, would completely transform this particular kitchen. It would fetch you a lot higher of a price. Funnier thing, again, the lights. Forget the floor plan. This floor plan is crazy as hell. But look at this floor right here. It's actually two different floors. Now, I get it. You don't want to necessarily have to replace the whole entire floor, but man, this is going to be a hard sales point for somebody, because who wants to live in a property where the floors are all crazy? Let's go up to the bathroom. Last check. Something we want to look at, which for me is like a huge no-no, but check out this bathroom. Shower enclosure is fine. This insert is what you're going to normally have. But look at the drain. One, there's no stopper, but see how it's all rusted out? Just simply something simple as changing that out and getting a fresh stopper will make this tub not look so old. And then even having like a nice little spout that's on here. Check out this mirror. Might sound like a small thing. Completely outdated lights, completely outdated mirror, and then look at this countertop that was fixed. This is not okay, guys, for a property, even if it's a lower end property. This is going to mean this house doesn't sell. Let's go check out the other bathroom real quick. Same thing, chip. Same thing, old tub. But look at this mirror. This mirror in here is actually delaminating. Someone doesn't want to be staring in this mirror looking at all these holes all day long. This has to be rectified. This can easily be taken out, put in one of those, frame, it looks like a picture, but basically frame around with a mirror, pick them up, 40, $50. Easily at the Home Depot, and again, changing this light out. And I don't know if you can tell here in the video, but that's a blue light. That's a warm light, blue light. So you got to have the same light bulbs in every room. And so again, guys, these are very simple, basic things, but stuff like appliances matching is actually a really big deal. You wouldn't want them in your houses, and your renters doesn't want them in their particular house. Having something like just an upgraded light fixture, in this case, we have two in the bathroom, one in the dining room, dining room, and then one in the kitchen nook. Both of those, you're talking maybe $200 you're going to spend to upgrade all of those lighting, and it's going to completely transform those particular areas, and it's going to make everything feel a lot more modern. And then again, the mirrors, if they're a little bit gummed up, okay, but if they're delaminating, nobody wants to be looking at that. Again, that's another $100 fix, no big deal. Any handyman should be able to get in and do all of those things for about $500. And again, if you're going to go buy appliances and you're going to go in the scratch and dent or whatever, I understand you're trying to get the cheaper appliances that are in there, but you got to make sure they match in the house. Big no-no. This property, I can guarantee you, will be sitting in the market for several months until this thing gets fixed up.